Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2021 Infiniti Qx80 Premium Select in black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.6-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocje.com. Stock number 47477H.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.